I got him to page 1 of Google in every city that's around him. He's just gonna pop up in any surrounding city, right? And let me just, enough of me talking, right? Enough of me talking. Let me actually show you, right? So you go to Google, right? And I'll just refresh this. Soda vending machine company in Delaware, right? And what do you see? And this was literally 24 hours ago. In Smyrna, in Dover, in Newark. This is suppliers. This is for Delaware. This is for Newark. Smyrna. This is for Dover. This is for Newark, right? Local vending machine company, right? Local vending machine supplier, right? Best vending machine company, Delaware, right? Best vending machine company, Smyrna, right? All these different keywords. Newark, right? I even did it for plumbing, affordable plumber, Bakersfield, right? 24-hour plumber, Bakersfield, right? 24-hour emergency plumber, Bakersfield, right? Imagine ranking for all these keywords on page 1. Imagine how much money you're missing.